will talk about how can you fix this problem on your cat trainer app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for cat trainer app. Just click here on search, then here at cat trainer, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this. You search for cat trainer, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.